In the previous lecture, we have seen that how can we use the if condition to render the component on choice. Now we are going to try a different syntax, and that syntax is the inline if, which is also known as the ternary operator of JavaScript. The operator works something like this. If you have a condition, let's say a is greater than b, then you want to say a is greater. Otherwise, you just want to say b is greater. Now here, when a is greater than b, a will be greater, otherwise b is greater. In fact, it is checking just one condition. That is, if a is greater than b, then it has to do this. Otherwise, that means even if a and b both are equal, then also it's going to say b is greater. Here in this sample, it's just one condition getting checked. If you want to try the very same thing with ternary operator, which is an easier way, then you can say if a is greater than b, then there is a question mark. So this is the condition part. This is the true section. That is when the condition is true, what you want. So you want a is greater. That's the message you want to display. Otherwise, b is greater. So this is how the ternary operator, that is inline if-else, work. So let's practically see the very same thing with the existing code. So here with the product.js, I want to try the ternary operator. Now with ternary operator, we have a provision that we can put it inside the return, that is inside the JSX also. So here I'm just going to say return if props.isAdmin is true, then I want to display the items. So I'll just copy this section and paste it here. Otherwise, I just want that it has to be the h1. Now the major difference here is that inside this if condition, we put a return statement, that is the JSX, inside the condition. But here the ternary, that is the inline if, works inside the JSX directly. So now let me remove this if condition and let's refresh everything. And now I click on this checkbox. So you see that it is working the very same way, but now the code is different. In fact, the code is more readable and cleaner. So now we have seen the if condition and this ternary operator.